DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? I don't know what that is the Dan. It's back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. I don't know when you're lab, you know that. You don't know what go on. Be a back. Yeah, crazy reactions and crazy bangers that drop. What go on? We can't talk today. You see me? I say, and today is no exception. You see me? I see what they are with. What they are with. Yo, the Clarendon artist here, dog. What go on, dog? You get lazy up, me G. What go on, me G? Jeff, what go on? Me been asked where you there, you know. Where you tune them there, me G? Eh? If you're Clarendon, man, you know if you move, say, you know, dog. Yeah, man, if you drop bangers on top of bangers, you see me pan people head top, me G. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. But yeah, man, we there with Jeff. Fullyauto. You see me? How that song say? Me a dirty boy, you know. Me no come. You see me? Yeah, the dirty boy is back in town, man. Jeff Fullyauto. The one name God me pray. I get out upon some cleansing thing today, cause you see me. The one name God me pray. You see me? I say? Yeah, so I get out upon some, you know, some upliftment, some spiritual things. So that upon the right, you know, good vibes, right track. Nothing wrong with that. You have to give God praise and thanks, you know. You see me, because I was telling you, you gotta keep God, you know, on the prayers. Well, keep praying to God. God down the prayers and thoughts and mind and heart. You see me? I say, but yes, because I was telling you to stay prayed up. You see me? And give thanks. You see me? I say, I have to keep God down the life. You see me? So nothing wrong with that. Jeff or Japa God tune. We check it out and see what dog and deal with. You see me? But before we get into that, yeah, man, gang, like I always say, yo, you see me? Have you been staying prayed up? You see me? I say, gang, have you been taking steps towards your goals? Have you making everyday account? You see me? I say, just do. Like I always say, you see me? Believe in yourself. Anything you work for, you can achieve. And I like, you see me? Just you don't. You see me? I say, time on God. You see me? Faith and strong mind. You see me? I say, gang. But anyway, we there with Jeff Fullyauto. God, we pray. While check it out, gang. Now I'll provide much longer. Let's get it.
A curfew has been imposed in Cherry Tree Lane, four paths.
Oh shit! Look like you talking about the shooting that happened in my hometown, man. Yeah, in Clarendon, yo. Big up to everybody. Crazy, like a mass shooting happened like a few weeks ago, if not a month ago. You see me at Cherry Tree, which is what he's gonna talk on, man. I didn't even get a chance to speak on that. I didn't even do a review on that, dog. I didn't do any updates. That's crazy, man. I should have did like you see me, you know, I know do updates on certain stuff that happened back home or in the culture. You see me, I said, but I didn't do an update on that one because that was just a crazy tragedy. I'm never in the right mind space at the time too. You see me, I said, but yeah, look like this is what he's talking on, man.
Clarendon. This
sad situation. There was apparently an 8-year-old that lost his life, man. Sad situation. Condolences, RIP to the victims and condolences to the family. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. So keep prayers and thoughts goes out to the family of the victims. For real, man. You see me, I said this is a sad situation. I even forgot about that, which is crazy.
8 people were shot and killed in the community Sunday night. Among the dead is a 7-year-old boy.
7-year-old. You see me, I say? Boy, and I was just saying that 8-year-old, but it was 8 people shot and the kid was 7-year-old. You see me, I say? It was a sad situation. You see me? People was talking about it all. Man, I didn't even do it up there. Sad situation, man. So it's a guy. Jeff, I got touch on the topic. So big up to Jeff to that. You see me?
God my prayer, God my prayer, God my prayer, God my prayer.
And because they have a curfew in Clarendon because of that. You see what I'm saying?
Hello, Jabari. God my prayer, God my prayer, God my prayer. God my prayer, when we touch the road, keep we safe. Man, we don't we no cars are here. Turn the BMW, put on the lane. Smiling at face and them a chatting at ears. And I like back in the days.
That's facts, that's facts. God we pray, dog, when we touch out, keep us safe for real. Man, I really shit, man, we here just because a young youth, you know, especially a yard, a drive Bimmer, and them thing there. I really shit, man, Jeff. You know what I say? So, yeah, man, Jeff. All our young artists, them, you see me? Yeah, man. Stay safe out there, my G.
God, my prayer, when we touch the road, keep we safe. Man, we with dope with no cars I hear. Turn the BMW, put on the lane. Smiling at face and them a chatting at ears. And I like back in the days. The juvie them corrupt fish at your middle day. And I like say
man, them jealous and all, yo, the dog, the youth, them juvie, them now corrupt. Shut up, Michael D. Hey.
W, put on the lane. Smiling at face and them a chatting at ears. And I like back in the days. The juvie them corrupt fish at your middle day. And I like say them did care. And I like say
I know, so like them thinking you don't care nowadays are fox, man.
them a beat. And I like me not prepared. Them a kill man everywhere. One more body miss a go in a grave. Father safety. No sweet pastry can change me. Beg your room.
The switch on the bass is crazy though.
Move all my fake friends who me love style. Me but not complain. Still feel me paranoid in them road a daily. Say Jesus how them nail him. That will rate you if you're careless.
Pumpa. Jeff, talk truth to you. Man say my youth, you see what reach Jesus Christ, how them nail him? And that will reach if you're careless, and that's facts.
Sweet pastry can change me. Beg you remove all my fake friends who me love style. Me but not complain. Still feel me paranoid in them road a daily. Say Jesus how them nail him. That will rate you if you're careless.
That's facts. That's facts.
God my prayer. When we touch the road, keep we safe. Man with dope with no cars I hear. Turn the BMW, put on the lane. Smiling at face and them a chatting at ears. And I like back
Hey, I really talk, you know. Hey.
in the days. The juvie them corrupt fish at your middle day. And I like say them did care. And I like say them a beat. And I like me not prepared. Right now, Pamela see a young man die. He flick chrome and I use murder dime. See poor light 5 over him. Grim scene, mother close.
Oh, God. Man, talk about little juvie dog. So you can like Jeff seat. Yeah, man. The images was graphic, trust me. You see me? You can get the dog attack. Come here.
Me not prepared. Right now, Pamela see a young man die. He flick chrome and I use murder dime. See poor light 5 over him. Grim scene.
Say a little juvie died. What do you want back? Come here.
Right now, Pamela see a young man die. He flick chrome and I use murder dime. See poor light 5 over him. Grim scene, mother close her eyes. Shop closed all night. Real tears gon' cry. Police jeep.
A real thing. You see me shot clothes all night, dog. You see me people I shed tears. You see me, hey, come in, man.
Poor light 5 over him. Grim scene, mother close her eyes. Shop closed all night. Real tears gon' cry. Police jeep just drive out with couple mask up. Unknown guys, these streets no crime.
Okay. Jeff, you're a bad artist, you keep making, hey. Jeff. Keep it up, hey Jeff. We need more tune from you, know. And we need more consistency, you know, brother. No, Joe, Jeff. Yeah, man, every tune you drop with the dog. Oh, yo, Jeff, you're a bad artist, you know, dog.
God, my prayer. When we touch the road, keep we safe. Man with dope with no cars I hear. Turn the BMW, put on the lane. Smiling at face and them a chatting at ears. And I like back in the days. The juvie them corrupt fish at your middle day. And I like say them did care. And I like say them a beat. And I like me not prepared.
Come here.
Tell you them to stay out of crime, virgin. Now worth it, a waste of life, a waste of time, brother.
Yeah, man, you got to, you see my uncle that clip with cartel. You see me? My uncle man I use the cartel out there.
And I like me not prepared.
So I like we not prepared, you know, brother.
Hello?
But you have to be careful out here, you see me?
Hello? Jabari.
That's facts. Jeff, big up your damn self, me out. Bad artist, man. Bad artist out of Clarendon. Big up yourself, me G. Yeah, man, Jeff Fullyauto. Yeah, man, we need more tune from you, Jeff. Yeah, man. We need more tune from you, Jeff. Yeah, you're an artist and we say, yo, we need a tune from you every 2 to 3 weeks, me G. No joke. You're bad like that, man. Can't give you a tune every 3 weeks right now. Alright, I know you drop it every other month, dog, Jeff. We need you to get it to at least every month. Every 3 weeks to every 2 weeks to get a tune. You see me? Just for a little while, then you can go back to every month to drop a tune. You see me? But you're a bad artist, man. And you man touch on a very deep topic. You see me? And say you definitely have to stay safe out here and protect yourself. You see me? Stay clear up. You You see me? But man, talk about some crazy stuff going on in that community in Florida, and the crazy shooting that happened the other day. You see me? Left 8 dead. One of those included a 7-year-old youth, man. Sad situation. You see me? I say sad situation. You see me? I say. But my own got smeared touch on it. You see me? I don't even really hear. Well, it was on the news, but it really died down. I didn't really hear the social media after a week or a couple of days. You see me? It was gone. So anybody ain't really talking about it or following up on it. You see me? I say, but. Shout out to Jeff. You see me? I say definitely touch on the topics in the community. I have to give a rating to that, my G. You see me? I say, yeah. So, yeah, man, people, if you like it, definitely show it to artists on the support. Make you know, say the dance, you know. You see me? I say, and in the comment section, let me know what your favorite part was, beats, and all that good stuff. Let's get that dialogue going. Let's chop it up, gang. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, straight bangers. I drop on head top, back-to-back videos. You see me? Now play with them. You see me? Your boy Jambisco. Till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Most important for each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.